How to update Google Play service on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Search button located on top right corner of your screen. Then type Apps. After that, you'll find Apps and Notification. Click on See All Apps and then search for Google Play service. Then click on Advanced, then click on App Details. If there is Update available, you will find Update instead of Deactivate. If there is no update, as you can see, there is no update, so Deactivate is shown, and that's how you update Google Play services on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.